Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and controversial topics in the iOS world, jailbreaking. If you've ever wanted more control over your iPhone, or just want to customize your device beyond the limits, this video is for you. Xookz offers a range of jailbreak solutions compatible with iOS 18.3.2, including the Pale Rain Virtual Jailbreak and TyMax Online Jailbreak. These tools allow you to install third-party apps, customize themes, and access features not available through the App Store. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using TyMax Jailbreak tool to jailbreak your iOS 18.3.2 device safely and effectively. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let's go. Type in the search bar, jailbreak iOS 18.3.2 Xookz.com. Tap the Go button. Head into the first link on the page. Once the page gets loaded, scroll down the page and find the TyMax Online Jailbreak. Tap the download button, you'll be redirected to the page, where you can download the Xookz App Store. Once you downloaded it and installed on your iPhone, open the Xookz app from the home screen. Find the TyMax Jailbreak tool and select it. Tap the Install button on the top right corner. Allow the profile download to get the jailbreak tool into your iPhone. Then, open the TyMax from your home screen. Continue the jailbreak process by tapping the Run Online Jailbreak button. Wait for the process to finish. Choose your package manager from the list. Continue downloading the package manager by ticking the button. Install the Cydia 2 and open it. That's all. Now you can explore the world's best jailbreak apps, features like tweaks, wallpapers and more. Follow the steps to enjoy the repos provided by Cydia through Xookz and TyMax Jailbreak tool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this jailbreak tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want more awesome tech tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And as always, stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.